Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make a bread snack recipe. Bread spring rolls. If we have 30 minutes to spend, we can make this tasty bread spring rolls at home. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 3 medium-sized boiled potatoes. Grate it well. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Also add half medium-sized onion, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves, 2 chopped green chilies. Mix it well. Grease hand with oil. Add 1 cup of grated cheese and mix it well. Take some amount of mixture and make it into a roll. Keep aside for later use. Convert all mixture into rolls. Now take the bread pieces, cut the edges. With edges you can make breadcrumbs. Roll the bread with a roller to make it tight. In a bowl, take half cup of water and 2 tablespoons Maida and mix it well. Paste Maida mix on the edges of the bread pieces for gluing. Take the previously prepared potato roll mix, put on the edges, cover it. Roll it on the tabletop, close the edges, convert all the potato mix into bread rolls. Before frying, dip the bread rolls in the Maida mix, then roll it over the breadcrumbs. In a pan, take 4 tablespoons oil and heat it. Place the bread rolls for frying. Fry the bread rolls on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes till it becomes golden color. Flip the sides when one side turns golden color. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Our bread spring roll is ready to be served. Try it along with tomato ketchup. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.